You just start yours first, Fred, to make sure it starts?
Day 2, yeah. Day 2, fuck me it is.
Wow.
Just
He comes out swinging right away this morning. Mike.
oh yeah, I know. So yeah, so yesterday, day 1, day before day 1, loading up, I didn't have my bike on a tender, so I didn't start. That fucker, it's my fault. I should have had it. But she hasn't failed me yet. But I thought we'd go over these quick. Hey Mikey, what exhaust do you have on yours?
This is a KHROME WERKS.
KHROME WERKS?
Yep.
All right.
Lloyd's pipes.
So he's gonna start it up. We're gonna see her the cold start. Haven't started anything this morning yet. I'll edit that out. I noticed mine does that too, though. They're like, whoa,
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
Does yours do that? Half crank kind of die, and then it starts up fires. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Really? So I think so far out of the 3, the tabs have been the loudest. Yeah.
Yeah, by far.
With the zombie baffles. So here, I'll do mine.
Here, I'll fire it.
Oh yeah, go for it. What? It don't matter. I'm not.
Why don't you shut it off?
Oh yeah, or just shut it off. There we go. All right, so here we go. Here's the tabs. Oh. I really love them. I'm so happy with these ones. These guys behind me, they're telling me that it's really fucking loud to them. Everybody except for Mike and his Fat Bob, he can't hear anything over his own. Cool. Let's see what these. You went with RINEHARTs, right?
I did.
Yeah. Okay.
I had the zombies on my Chieftain, and then I wanted to go with something a little bit less loud. But after listening to yours, I might go back. Who knows? So
Well,
I went with the RINEHARTs.
Hey, Bison has them.
That's right.
All right, here RINEHARTs. Just a little tone less.
Yeah, it's a little deeper. Softer for my old ears.
That is a pretty tips.
Got those at Bison as well.
So Bison Thunder, they did not sponsor this video, but we're open for sponsorships. But they did sell these Challengers. We've all been nothing but happy with those guys. So go see Dan and Troy.
Yeah, and the best part is too is, you know, Mikey's from Bemidji, Minnesota, which is about 2 hours west of me. I'm from Meadowlands, Minnesota. I'm about 3.5 hours north of Bison, and you're from Faribault.
I'm an hour.
You're an hour south.
I have to pass an Indian dealership to get to Bison.
Right.
That's how good those guys are.
That's how good. You know, I mean, all the way across Minnesota, you got 3 happy guys that never really knew each other before.
Yeah.
Well, I know Mikey, but
yeah, you guys know each other.
Yeah, but we met down on Facebook, and with his YouTube channel, Ridingfish. Hey, check it out. Have some fun.
This guy's saying he likes my channel, so I'm gonna leave that in. Mikey over here didn't like it. I'm cutting that out.